No. Baby, I deserve to wonder who's calling so damn late. For you to say I'm tripping, just a homie from upstate. Said it's just a homie. Don't he know it's 1 o'clock in the morning? Say it's cool, baby, it's cool. Baby, I deserve for you to say he's coming into town. Later on this evening, he was just wondering if you and him could hang out. Whoa. I don't like it, but I know I gotta trust you. It ain't cool, cause I know it's true. Baby, I deserve for you to go out and find some other guy. Baby, I deserve for you to stay out with them all night. Baby, I deserve for you to do all the things I did to you. Baby, I deserve, oh yeah. Baby, I deserve, oh yeah. Baby, I deserve for you to go out and find some other guy. Baby, I deserve for you to stay out with them all night. Baby, I deserve for you to do all the things I did to you. Baby, I deserve, oh yeah. Baby, I deserve, oh yeah. Baby, I deserve for you to put on a sexy dress, for me to ask you who the hell you trying to impress, for you to laugh it off like it ain't nothing. I know it's something, but maybe to sit at home and wonder where you are. Is it kissing you, touching you, holding you? What? To take a drink to help ease my mind. I wanna be mad after all those times. Maybe I deserve for you to go out and find some other guy. Baby, I deserve for you to stay out with them all night. Baby, I deserve for you to do all the things I did to you. Baby, I deserve, oh yeah, baby, oh yeah. Baby, I deserve for you to go out and find some other guy. Baby, I deserve for you to stay out with them all night. Baby, I deserve for you to do all the things I did to you. Baby, I deserve, oh yeah, oh, maybe I deserve for me to ask you where you've been, where the hell you've been, for you to say I better stop tripping. Oh, I'm gonna trip to grab your neck until you let me know. Better tell me something. For you to run crying out the door. To grab my coat and chase you down the street. Say it's not you, it's my own insecurity. Will you say, yes, I cheated on you? Yes, I won't care, 'cause after all